Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. In today's video, I'll walk you through how your business can start accepting cryptocurrency payment. We'll cover how to choose a crypto processing service, how to integrate it, and its general usage. Let's dive in. But first of all, let's discuss why crypto payments are crucial and trending topic. Cryptocurrency enables global transactions without restriction or complications, making it ideal for businesses aiming to operate worldwide. The transaction fees for crypto payments are significantly lower than those of traditional payment methods. Additionally, crypto transactions are processed and settled much faster than traditional bank transfers, enhancing efficiency for both cross-border and online payments. Now let's dive deeper into how to select the right crypto processing service. To accept cryptocurrency payments, you need a payment solution capable of processing these transactions. Such solutions are provided by crypto processing services. With many options available, it's essential to choose the one that best meets your needs. When selecting a crypto processing service, pay attention to these three key factors. 1. Cryptocurrency support. The more currencies supported, the more flexibility your business offers to customers. 2. Ease of integration. Reliable services provide free integration, often supported by a dedicated team. And 3. Functionality. Look for services with comprehensive features such as converting crypto to fiat, to ensure your operations are not limited. 0x Processing excels in all these areas, and today I'll guide you through its features and integration process. Let's explore the 0x Processing platform's functionality. 0x Processing provides 5 distinct crypto payment solutions to cater to the needs of virtually any business. Number 1 is the 0x Classic. Number 2 is static wallet. Number 3 is a Web 3.0. Number 4 is a recurring payment. And number 5 is the P2P, which is coming soon. Now let's discuss all these distinct payment solutions one after the other. Now let's start with the OX Classic. The OX Classic provides you with a fixed amount of payment. That is, the amount is controlled exclusively by you. 2. Non-fixed amount payment. Customers can pay any amount above a set minimum. 3. Static wallet payment. A static wallet simplifies the payment processing by providing a constant unchanging address. And 4. Custom payment form. Allow clients to create payment forms with data input via a link. And that is with the 0x Classic. Now let's go to the static wallet. This unique offering simplifies payments by letting customers top up balances anytime without minimum limits. Another innovative feature is the Web 3.0 payment. This cutting-edge solution offers unparalleled speed, one-click payments, and transparent analytics, setting a new standard for payment systems. The next one that we're going to talk about is the recurring payment. For subscription-based businesses, recurring payments automate the payment process, ensuring consistent revenue streams. Additionally, 0x Processing supports fund settlement to company accounts via SWIFT and SEPA. We have talked a lot about the 0x Processing service and its functionalities. Now let me tell you how to connect to the 0x Processing service and start accepting payment in crypto. So on the website over here, as you can see, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys so that you can be able to go over there. Now click on get started over here, and then there is a convenient form over here All what you need to do is to fill in the convenient form in a couple of clicks. Enter your name and your contact details or information so that the manager can be able to contact you. Now let's click next over here. And then over here, all what we need to do is to fill in a few facts about our business, and then we are done. So we're going to just fill in a few facts about our business. So what your business is about. So let's say it's an e-commerce over here. You select the number of employees. So let me say I'll select 1 to 10. And then you agree to the privacy policy over here. So just agree and just click on submit over here. And you are good to go. A 0x processing manager will contact you in an hour. If a direct communication is easier and more convenient for you, message 0x processing in private Telegram message by clicking on the Telegram button over here or the link that I'll leave in the description for you guys. So click on it and it will take you to over here, and then the personal manager will quickly get in touch with you. So you're going to start the bot over here. You're going to run the bot, and the personal manager will quickly get in touch with you. Now what's next? Next, the manager will help you connect the service and make the first transaction. Once connected, you will gain access to a user-friendly dashboard displaying up-to-date transaction stats. You can create payment links immediately and start accepting crypto payments right away. Reliable technical support is always available to assist you. 0x processing gives merchants access to over 55 cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins. This is constantly being updated, with new coins becoming available. The good news is that at 0x processing, you can offer cryptocurrency which the service will add to the list of available. 0x processing pushes the boundaries. With this service, you can withdraw money into fiat and not worry about its safety or volatility. That's all for today. We've covered the steps to choose and connect a crypto processing service for your business. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.